On 7th August was my birthday. It's just 2 days earlier. Now, last year I created a video on my birthday on explaining how my life is and what are my aspirations for the next year. So, let's keep the same trend going and yeah. So, this year, very a good few good things happened and a lot of bad things happened to me. But I'm still here, and that's the main purpose that yeah, I am here. Let's start by discussing what I did with my entire day. So basically on my birthday I woke up. First thing I did was view sunlight, and then I as usual did my writing, and I proceeded the day as always, grinding away. Like I worked the whole day basically, and then went to the gym and slept. The only thing with satisfactory I did was eating delicious meal which my mother made, which my mother home cooked for me, and that was the best thing that happened to me this birthday. Now I can lie about and say that this was the perfect birthday for me, but it wasn't. I was not satisfied by the quality of this birthday of mine, and I also realized that what is my ideal birthday? Like, if you think about it, we always think about what's the ideal way of our life, how do we want to structure our life, but we never think that about our good days, how we want our anniversary to be if we are married, or how do we want our birthdays to be in general. So I actually sat and thought about it, that how great it would be if I had a girl who would text me in the morning and would bring me flowers, and I had great friends with whom I would go to dinner and spend the day at night with my family. That was kind of my initial ideal birthday, but it didn't happen this day because of many things, because of the financial crisis, or because I'm not that powerful right now, and so forth and so forth. So what's the one thing which I learned, that I'm nowhere close to my dream life, and I still need to grind. That's the one thing which I realized, that I shouldn't lie about what's the ideal birthday for me. I could have lied and said that this was the ideal birthday for me, but it wasn't. And so the first thing, there is a bandar. No. So the ideal birthday for me, I defined, and yeah, in the future, maybe the next year, it will be an ideal birthday. So from the past year to this year, many things happened. First of all, I lost the girl I love. Brutal, I guess. And I wasn't able to clear the one goal I had. That was also brutal. But I didn't care about that as much as I did about the girl. And I started boxing, and I quit it because I had different priorities. I also learned guitar in this year. I started posting consistently on my YouTube once again. I started coaching, which no one has yet signed up for, so that's fucking also brutal at the same time. And many things and many forth. I still continued gym. I still am reading a lot. So yeah, the birthday was great. Maybe our ideal life has not been achieved yet, and maybe in the future it will be. But yeah, life goes on. In life we meet many various great people, and most of them don't even stay for that long, but it's our right to actually take the great lessons which they gave us and keep moving forward, because there is no path in which we go back. Either we stay on the path or we simply move ahead. I would like to continue the road on which I am, even though it's long and arduous and filled with stones, hurdles, monsters, dead ends, mountains, volcanoes, fire. But still, it's much better to be on this path, because I'm pretty sure that maybe not this day, but the next birthday would be great. And don't take me wrong, this birthday was great. I had a lot of fun by working, but there are some things which I want which didn't happen on this birthday, and it surely will on the next birthday, or maybe it won't even happen on the next birthday. And then I would think that, oh fuck, I need to work even harder. So that's kind of the way I am and I'm becoming. I don't get discouraged by my own setbacks and by the things when things don't work out for me, because I have learned that there is only two things which I can do. Like either I can live, continue on living, or I might commit suicide. But I won't be dying. That's the one thing which I've taken. Like I won't commit suicide. I have taken that as an oath. That's the thing which can't come in my mind. I have actually sat down and thought about it, that do I want to end my life? Is there any reason to even live? And I thought, and I came to the conclusion that yes, I want to live. Like it seems to be pretty obvious when I say these things, but they aren't, because most of the times suicide happens because people don't value their lives and they don't have many aspirations. But I sat and thought about it, and I do have some aspirations. So that's the thing. Life happens, but you can too happen to life. Like you can. There is no one stopping you. No one could stop Einstein. No one could stop Steve Jobs. So why you? Can't be the next Steve Jobs or Einstein or Martin Luther King or anyone. But you can be the next you yourself. You can become great. Maybe this birthday I wasn't someone's significant, but maybe next year, just maybe, I might have a few good followers who actually understand the message which I am trying to distill in you, and maybe the next day, next birthday would be great. You know, I saw a reel about entrepreneurship, and it was like it really inspired me that most of the entrepreneurship is basically thinking to yourself that it will work one day, like one more day. It didn't work for fucking 8 months, but it will work tomorrow. It will work one more day, one more day, one more day. So yeah, that's the thing which I'm going to apply on my birthday, is that one more birthday, one more birthday, one more. I'm getting closer to my ideal. Like this is my ideal. Last birthday I was here, now I'm here. Maybe the next year I would be able to close this much gap and come to my ideal situation. And yeah, by the way, I was just playing guitar, and thus I think I'm kind of neurotic right now, and I can sense that because I'm speaking a lot faster. I'm not calmer. Like right now, I have slowed my voice so that I can sound more serious. Previously, it was a rant, but I actually thought about it. It was a conscious rant, but no one could sense that it was conscious. They just sensed that it is a rant because I framed it that I don't even make sense right now. But yeah, most of the life is being and making no sense. Like who knows what sense my life is in the grand scheme of things. When I live up to 25 or 30, or I did something great, then my life would be justified. All my years of suffering, oh fuck, all my years of, oh fuck, my Rakhis. By the way, today is Raksha Bandhan. It's 9th on August. It's a festival in India in which the sisters बांधने को क्या कहें, sisters make their brothers wear a thread around their waist which is called Rakhi, and in return the brothers give them their protection or pledge to protect them in the process of sacrificing their own lives. So it's basically a festival of brothers and sisters, and yeah, that's why I'm wearing all these beautiful Rakhis. So yeah, on 7th was my birthday, but I couldn't actually record on that day because uh, it was raining all day, and it has been raining for the past 4 days. Thus the terrace was flooding. Not flooding, what's the correct word? I don't even know. Like how will I able to educate everyone when I don't even know how to make my own words? I have gotten dumber, I guess.